When it comes to rolling over your 401k into an IRA, there are a lot of important factors to consider. If you're watching this, you're likely thinking about making that move, and you're probably wondering what the process looks like and how it impacts your future savings. Stay tuned, because I'm going to break it all down for you and show you why a gold IRA might just be your best option. So, here's the deal. When you roll over your 401k into an IRA, you're essentially taking control of your retirement funds. Many people make the decision to do this when they leave a job, or they want more control over their investments. But what should you know before making that jump? First, the process itself is relatively straightforward. You can either do a direct rollover or a 60-day rollover. With a direct rollover, your funds go directly from your 401k to your IRA, meaning no tax penalties, no withdrawals, and no need to worry about getting the timing right. With a 60-day rollover, you receive the funds and have 60 days to deposit them into your IRA without triggering tax penalties. But let me be clear, this process needs to be handled carefully, because missing the deadline could lead to hefty tax penalties. Now, why should you consider rolling over your 401k into an IRA in the first place? One of the biggest reasons is flexibility. An IRA gives you access to a wider variety of investment options compared to a typical 401k plan. You can invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and even real estate. But here's where it gets really interesting. One of the best options you have is rolling over into a gold IRA. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend checking out the free guide in the description below on why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs. Gold is a time-tested hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. When the market is volatile, having a portion of your savings in gold can offer the kind of security that traditional investments just can't. Now, rolling over to a gold IRA isn't just about diversifying your portfolio. It's about securing your financial future. Let me explain. The price of gold tends to rise during times of economic downturn, so investing in a gold IRA can provide a stable alternative to more traditional assets like stocks and bonds. And as an American retiree, this is crucial to protecting your savings from inflation and market swings. On the flip side, other options like rolling over into a traditional IRA or keeping your 401k in a regular brokerage account may give you access to a broader range of assets, but they don't offer the same level of protection from market volatility. So, why settle for those when you can get something that directly shields your wealth? When you roll over your 401k to an IRA, you're also moving towards a more flexible retirement plan. You can choose the IRA custodian you feel comfortable with, and it's all about taking your retirement into your own hands. Plus, many IRA providers offer self-directed IRAs, where you can manage your investments yourself, meaning you can choose the gold you invest in and track its value over time. Another thing you need to know is that rolling over into a gold IRA doesn't need to be complicated. It's a fairly simple process that can be done with minimal paperwork. Many financial institutions will help you through the steps, ensuring the process is smooth and efficient. And here's something that's key to know. If you're someone with $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 million in savings, rolling over into a gold IRA could be a game changer for you. It's the kind of wealth protection strategy that could give you peace of mind, knowing your retirement funds are safer no matter what happens in the market. If you're interested in learning more about how gold IRAs can safeguard your future, check out the free gold IRA guide in the description. It's perfect for those who want to secure their financial future and avoid losing wealth in uncertain times. To wrap it up, if you're rolling over your 401k, don't overlook the power of a gold IRA. The flexibility, security, and protection it offers are hard to beat. Make the most of your retirement by taking charge of your investments today. And remember, if you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even $5 million in savings, this gold IRA strategy might just be what you've been looking for. Click the link in the description now for the full guide and take control of your retirement savings.